In this video, we are going to discuss Java software development environment to develop and execute our Java program. Java environment provides JDK. JDK is Java Development Toolkit. JDK is Java software development environment provided by Oracle Corporation. It is basically a open source which is readily available in internet. Okay, so it is provided by Oracle Corporation. Current version of this JDK is 14. Okay. So what your JDK software development environment contains? It contains tools, API and Java runtime environment. Okay. So basically what is API? API is classes and methods. It contains number of classes and methods which is part of my Java standard library. It is used to develop our Java program. Okay, and then it contains number of tools. What are the tools it contains? It contains tool Java C, Java, Java P, Java H, Java Doc, JDP. These are all the different tools supported by JDK. Among this we have Java C. Java C is a Java compiler. When we have our Java program, when we compile our Java program, it will not be converted directly into its corresponding machine code. It will be converted into its intermediate bytecode. Java compiler is responsible for compiling our Java code into its corresponding bytecode. Next one is Java. It is basically an interpreter which is used to run our bytecode, which is used to run our Java program, that is intermediate bytecode. Okay, and then next one is Java disassembler, which is used to get information about classes, like what all the methods defined inside the class, what all the data members along with this access specifier. Then Java H is used to create C header file. It is used to create C header files to execute our native methods. Next one is Java Doc. It is used to create HTML documents. It is used for documentation purpose. Next one is Java Debugger, which is used to debug our Java program. Okay, so these were all the different tools supported by JDK. And then API, which contains classes and methods. The last one is Java runtime environment. Java runtime environment is used to execute our Java program. Okay, basically JDK software development environment. It contains tools, API and Java runtime environment. Next one is JRE, which is part of JDK. It is our Java runtime environment, which is used to run or execute our Java program, that is my bytecode. What is JRE contains? JRE contains JVM and class libraries which is used to run our Java program. Okay, JVM and class libraries. What is JVM? JVM is Java Virtual Machine. Okay. And then additionally with this class libraries, JRE also contains class libraries to process our user interfaces. For example, if we have Swing and abstract window toolkit. To process the user interface, it contains class library, and interfaces to process are JDBC. That is, when a Java program has a databases connected with this, to process the connectivity between Java application and the databases, we also have some class libraries. And then JRE contains JVM. JVM is Java Virtual Machine. What your JVM contains? JVM contains JIT compiler. Okay, JIT is just in time compiler. Okay. So what your JIT will do is, okay, for example, if we have our Java program, okay, so Java program is converted into its intermediate byte code. Who is responsible for converting a Java program into its corresponding byte code? It is our Java compiler. Java C is responsible for converting a Java program into byte code. Okay, and then byte code is given to JVM for execution. Byte code is given to JVM for execution. Okay, so we make use of the interpreter called Java. Okay, so what JVM will do is, JVM will convert the byte code into its corresponding machine code. So who is responsible for converting our byte code into machine code? It is our JIT compiler. Just-in-time compiler will convert the byte code into corresponding machine code, and then the machine code is loaded. Then it loads the machine code, okay, and it verifies our machine code whether there is any error is there or not, and then it executes our machine code. Okay, so byte code is given to JVM. JVM will give our byte code to just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler will convert the byte code into its corresponding machine code for compiling a Java program, and it loads the machine code into main memory. Okay, and it verifies our machine code whether it is correct or not. Okay, once it is correct, it loads the machine code into main memory, and then it starts executing our Java program. Okay, so this were all the software development environment provided by Oracle Corporation. It is JDK. JDK contains tools, API and JRE. Okay, and then JRE contains JVM and class libraries. Okay, JVM contains your just-in compiler. Let me summarize. JDK is software development environment which is used to develop and execute a Java program. What this JDK contains? JDK contains tools and API to develop a Java program, and also it contains, along with this tools and API, it contains JRE. Okay, so JDK contains tools, API and JRE. Okay, so what your JRE contains? JRE contains JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, plus class libraries. Class libraries to execute a Java program, and JVM. Okay, and then if we say JDK contains tools plus API plus your JRE. Okay, and then what are JRE contains? JRE contains JVM. How the JVM is going to execute a Java program? So we have our Java program. So when we store our Java program, we can give file name .java. Extension for Java program is .java. Okay, so to execute my Java program, we are compiling this Java program using this compiler Java C. Okay. When the Java C compiler compiles our Java program, it creates the intermediate bytecode. Okay. The file extension for intermediate bytecode is dot class. A file extension for intermediate bytecode is dot class. When I want to execute this bytecode is given to Java virtual machine. Okay, Java virtual machine contains JIT, that is just in compiler, which will convert our bytecode into its corresponding machine code. After converting into corresponding machine code will be verified and that is loaded into main memory for execution. Okay, so the machine code is loaded into main memory, okay, and it verifies the machine code and it executes our machine code. Okay, so this is the software development environment JDK provided to develop and execute our Java program.